Hello, in this video we'll show you the location of all the main fuse boxes on the Citroen C4 MK2. There is two main fuse boxes on this car. One of them is located in the engine bay area, the other one is located in the fascia just underneath the steering wheel. First I'll show you the location of the fuse box in the engine bay area. This is the engine bay fuse box. It's located right there. There's also another fuse box just above the battery. It's located right there. The other main fuse box is located just underneath the steering wheel, just behind this plastic cover. You need to pull down this plastic cover, and that's the fuse box, the fascia fuse box in there. Hopefully the video was helpful. Please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.